Welcome back to Onesixtyfourland. If you are just joining us, we're opening up some Auto Worlds this time. 2022 Release 3. This is version B. I just opened version A, so check out that video when you're done with this one. And let's see what we got. You get all my Auto World sealed cases from 3000 Toys, just to kind of give me an opportunity to pull an Ultra Red. I did not pull one in the last case, so let's see. Maybe this one will be a little different. All right. Here we go. So we have a Sublime 2019 Challenger RT Scat Pack. I mentioned in the last one that this casting would look a lot better with side mirrors, but it's still a very cool casting. The pronounced fenders are neat, and the upcoming Charger, it's going to look good with that one there. All right, next up is a Yellow Blaze 2012 Ford Mustang GTCS. CS again standing for California Special. So pretty neat there, black roof. Nice color there. It's got a nice little pearl effect to it. Chrome wheels. Looking good. Okay, what's next up is the Rhino 2017 Jeep Wrangler. This is the Chief Edition. They put JK on there. That's the chassis code for this style of Wrangler here. Pretty neat. Nice color. What do we got? What's next? Okay, we have a Firethorn Poly Cadillac. This is the 75 Coupe DeVille. And just like the other one, this is copper on copper on copper. So a nice color combination there. Sweet. Next up is probably the GT40. Yep, in blue. Custom metallic blue here. It's got some nice looking wire wheels. 65 GT40 Mark 1. This is the street version. What's that on the back there? Looks like a license plate, a little, maybe a British plate. Number plate there. Pretty neat. And finally is a, Saddle Bronze Poly 64 Pontiac Grand Prix, another Royal Bobcat edition. So the Royal Bobcat is a dealership special here. So pretty cool. Not sure if it has, looks like the badging right on the front fender there. It's going to be special if you can kind of see it up right here. And then, of course, it has the Royal license plate. So, all right. So that is the 2022 Auto World Release 3. I know 2023 is just about a month away, but it looks like we still have a couple of releases left that should hopefully come out in the next few months. Obviously, everything is a little behind there. Anyway, check out the other videos I did. I want to thanks for viewing, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.